Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this weed trimmer to go ahead and kind of give you a preview of all the cool features, and I gotta admit, I'm pretty impressed. Let me tell you all about it. So first of all, right off the bat, this thing comes with a lot of pieces, a lot of accessories, more than most others, and that's very impressive. So this is a cordless weed trimmer. That means that it comes with a cordless battery. There is the battery itself. Cool thing about the battery is you can actually check the measurement level or the energy level. There you go. You press the button down, you kind of see the lights. This is fully charged right now. As it goes ahead and goes down, you'll have less lights. It does come with a charger as well. It's just kind of a wall unit. You plug it in, and then you plug it into the battery, and you charge the battery up. The battery lasts a good long time. I haven't had any problems with it. I have trimmed around my yard for about 15-20 minutes, and it's still on a full charge. So this is the full trimmer itself. I'm going to go over all the features because it really is a lot of options on it. It really is just a perfect trimmer for if you own a townhouse or a condo or a small yard, and you just need to trim around it once every weekend or so. This is perfect for that sort of thing. Even if you're not used to carrying heavy things or you don't like working outside, this also has some nice features so that even if you don't have the arm strength to carry a weed trimmer, now you can with this one. So first and foremost, you got a handle here. This handle is adjustable. You can loosen it, you can slide it up and down, you can even take it off. It's just a single bolt that goes on there. You just loosen it, and then you can go ahead and slide it up and down however you want. It is handy for kind of hanging onto it there. The pole itself here is adjustable as well. I will go ahead and turn this. So I'm about 6 foot, and it works great for me. You can slide it in if you're much shorter, and you can even slide it down even more than that. But then you just go ahead and tighten it back in, and now it's a much shorter sort of a pole for weed trimming. Here's a big feature that you don't normally see. This is kind of a wheelbase unit here. This allows you to go ahead, install these wheels. They come right off. This thing right here can loosen and pop off. You just kind of unscrew it. It's a little thumb screw, just pops it off. If you want to use it, that's fine. What this allows you to do is all the weight of the trimmer will sit on this base and these wheels, and then you can just go ahead and push it along the ground instead of actually carrying the thing. So it's almost like a little lawnmower in a way, in the fact that the whole thing rests on these wheels, on this pivot point, as it's rolling along the ground, and you can sit and trim your lawn. So if you're older, if you can't lift a trimmer, if you have a really small area and you don't even need a lawnmower, you just need a trimmer for grass, this is perfect for that. Just kind of roll it along. And now, I will say, as it bumps, you have to be careful, but you can control it. I went ahead and used this for trimming in front of my porch, and it actually worked pretty well. You have to kind of get used to the whole control mechanism, but it's not heavy. It's real easy to move around. You also get the actual trimmer head itself. This whole thing is installed here, and it is also adjustable. So right now I have it at this angle, but here, I'll show you on the other side. You can actually press this button in and control the angle of it. So maybe I want it like that for some reason. I can go ahead and here we go. I can press it, and you can see, so here's straight up and down, all the way up to kind of almost a 90-degree angle you can set it at. So that depending upon when it clicks into place. So depending upon how you want to trim, you can set this up however you need it, and that's just a simple push button right down there. Right now I have just some trimmer lines on this. This is just basically a little plate that screws on with a little bolt, and then these trimmer lines will sit and spin real fast, and they'll go ahead and trim the grass. It comes with a bunch of different trimmer heads. It even comes with flat blades for if you have a whole bunch of weeds and you want to go ahead and really cut down those thick weeds. This will work perfectly for that. What if you're cutting down small bushes or trees? No problem. They also give you a saw blade. All three of these, the saw blade, the two flat blades, and the grass blade, they all fit on the head. You just pull one off, you screw in the other one, and you're ready to go. Other things you get little safety goggles. That's nice. You also get some safety gloves. Those are very important for when you actually have to change out the flat blades or the saw blades. You want to use safety gloves. These are okay. I would still probably use thicker safety gloves, but in a pinch, they work well. You also get a bunch of extra trimmer lines. So as you trim with your grass, eventually these things will wear away as they kind of cut the grass down. You will want to go ahead and use some scissors, cut these out, just slip them in, and give yourself some new trimmer line. That's nice. I'm not used to companies giving you extra stuff, but they do. You get a toolkit here filled with things that you're going to need. You get a couple extra little screws in here, but then you actually get a screwdriver that's actually used to kind of install the whole thing, and you get two different wrenches, one wrench to put the wheels on and another wrench to go ahead and put blades onto the trimmer. You even get a full color manual, which again is rare. It is written in English and it's easy to understand. It details all the parts, it details the relatively simple construction of it, it details all the things you are supposed to have, tells you what they do. It's a really good manual for getting you started. Another nice safety feature is that it's actually 2-button operation, so that you can't accidentally press a trigger and just fire it off and have a blade sitting there running at the end of your line. What you need to do for this is you actually have to do 2 hands. Press one hand here and squeeze the trigger in for it to go ahead and start. See? I can't press this button, I can't press this button alone, I had to press both to get the whole thing started. That's a great safety feature and prevents children from accidentally just hitting it and turning on an electric blade. I wasn't sure what to expect, but overall, this is a really nice little cordless trimmer. It is perfect for, again, small yards, for places where you want to do some grass cutting, some bush cutting, some weed killing, some weed chopping, where you don't need to have a great big mower to handle 3 or 4 acres of lawn. This is perfect for townhouses and apartments and small lawns. It is lightweight. It has the option of actually putting this whole wheelbase on here to really take the weight off. The handle is very useful. Everything is adjustable. I'm really kind of amazed at all the adjustable. My regular big gas trimmer does not have all the adjustments that this one has. The battery seems to last a long time. I've used it for a while and I still full charge, you saw. Overall, I am really very impressed with this whole weedless trimmer or this cordless trimmer, and I would highly recommend it.